Hey, easy.
And they gon' try to blame me like I ain't suffering, but I'm labeled as a madman. Gotta keep my distance, head on the swivel for that bad man. I got it for anybody in the city tryna play Batman. And all my kinfolk, you some demons, man, I ain't capping. Nah, still playing defense. So wars are not here, niggas creeping. Better watch your back, niggas. Better watch your back, nigga. Yeah, you gotta watch your back cause it get grimy. Man, anything you name it. Throw that mask on up and it save me. Hate me. Throwing these bullets, feel like I'm Brady. Feel like I'm General standing on these niggas, man, they is trainees. Still playing defense. So wars are not here, niggas creeping. Yeah, by any reason. Yeah, I'm tryna go crazy, man, it's my season. I got it on lock, feel like I'm Locksmith. Brother know I'm rockin'. Flyer to Mary Poppins, them niggas can't even pop shit. I'm vouching for my niggas in the game, you know we top 10. Them niggas shot riding no pavement, you was not him. And I don't really care for the fame. And I don't really care what you say. Them niggas iffy, I don't trust them. I got back door once, so I won't go through it again. Fuck them niggas and they friends. Put them niggas in they friends. So boys on, I don't got no time for discussion. Repercussions for any nigga that ain't my blood brother. When your soul gone, you be tryna find something better. Tryna stack some out, try to watch my back. And you gotta watch your back cause it get grimy. Man, anything you name it. Throw that mask on up and it save me. Hate me. Throwing these bullets, feel like I'm Brady. Feel like I'm General standing on these niggas, man, they is trainees. Still playing defense. So wars are not here, niggas creeping. Yeah, by any reason. Yeah, I'm tryna go crazy, man, it's my season.